Hello everyone, I'm Cornay Pretorius from Vermiculture Africa, and today we're excited to share the results of our recent field trial on Nova citrus trees right here in Brits, Northwest Province of South Africa. Over the past few months, we've been using our 100% organic vermicast liquid product, Rafa Grow 100, to demonstrate its effectiveness in enhancing the growth and health of these young trees. From January 2025 until today, March the 17th, 2025, the owner of the farm has conducted this field trial personally. She applied Rafa Grow twice during this period as a foliar spray. As you can see in the before and after footage we captured, there is a remarkable difference in the new growth of these small trees. The vibrant green leaves and increased foliage are clear indicators of how effective our product has been. Now, let's discuss 5 compelling reasons why citrus farmers should consider using Rafa Grow for their crops. Enhanced growth rates. Rafa Grow is designed to stimulate plant growth by providing essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. This leads to faster growth rates compared to the untreated trees. Our field results show significant improvements in height and leaf density. Number 2 is improved soil health. While our application was primarily the foliar spray, Rafa Grow 100 can also be used for soil drenching through existing irrigation systems. This dual application method not only nourishes the plants but also enhances soil health by increasing microbial activity and nutrient availability in the root zone. 3. Cost-effective solution. One of the standout features of Rafa Grow 100 is its affordability. Cost per hectare is low compared to many conventional chemicals and treatments available on the market today. Additionally, we offer a 1,000-liter flow bin that significantly reduces cost per hectare. 4. Sustainable farming practices. Being a 100% organic product, Rafa Grow aligns perfectly with sustainable farming practices that are increasingly important in today's agricultural landscape. By using our product, farmers can reduce their reliance on synthetic chemicals while promoting environmental health. 5. Increased yield potential. With improved growth rates and healthier trees comes increased yield potential at harvest time. Farmers who adopt Rafa Grow 100 can expect better fruit quality and quality due to enhanced tree vigor throughout their growing cycle. Conclusion. In summary, our field trial with Nova citrus trees has demonstrated that Rafa Grow is an effective tool for enhancing tree growth and overall health while being cost-effective and environmentally friendly. If you're looking to boost your citrus production sustainably, consider incorporating Rafa Grow 100 into your farming practices. Thank you for joining me today. For more information about Rafa Grow 100 or to place an order, please visit our website or contact us directly at Vermiculture Africa.